Welcome, viewers. Today, we bring you the latest updates and insights from around the world. The guide provides an extensive overview of strategies and products for effectively navigating cannabis detox and passing drug tests. It begins by dispelling common misconceptions about detox timelines and the effectiveness of quick fixes, emphasizing that natural detoxification takes time and there are no shortcuts. It discusses how cannabis metabolites accumulate in the body and the varying detox times based on individual factors like health and usage patterns. Different types of drug tests, urine, saliva, hair, and blood, are thoroughly covered, with specific strategies outlined for each. For urine tests, detox drinks such as Rescue Cleanse and detox pills like Toxin Rid are recommended to flush out toxins effectively. Synthetic urine options like Subsolution and Quick Luck are suggested for providing substitute samples. The guide highlights the challenges of saliva tests and recommends oral clear gum for immediate and discreet neutralization of drug traces. It also addresses the longer detection window of hair tests and advocates for the Makujo method using Aloe Toxin Rid shampoo to remove toxins from hair follicles. While blood tests are rare, the guide suggests using Toxin Rid pills for accelerated detoxification if needed. It emphasizes the importance of using reputable products from specialized retailers like Test Negative and Test Clear, cautioning against ineffective products and home remedies. The guide concludes with advice on using home drug test kits to verify detox success before facing an actual drug test, ensuring individuals are well prepared with effective strategies and reliable detox products tailored to their specific needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.